My amazing people, welcome to day 4 of the 100 members school challenge. In today's video, you will learn how to create your school icon, cover image, and banner image. If we haven't met before, I'm Azim Ahmed, an electrical engineer turned copywriter, and I'm building my school community from scratch and growing it past $10,000 per month. I ranked my school community on the top 10 for my target keyword within 15 days without spending on ads. I believe that building alone is boring while building together is fun. So let's dive right in. In this video, you will learn how to create a school icon, how to create banner image, and finally how to create your cover image. Tools we are going to use is simply Canva, and you can also use Google Images. So first off, how to create a school icon. Basically, we are going to use simple text and or image if you like to. Let's have a look at some example. Go to Schoolers. This is the official school community for school community owners. So this is their icon, the legendary cat, right? Next example, that pickleball school. If you go to discover communities, so this is that pickleball school. So this is their icon, right? It's a simple image graphic showing a guy playing pickleball with a racket, right? And the third example is Etsy Mentor. Let's have a look at their icon as well. Etsy Mentor. So this is their icon. This is graphical icon with textual graphics, right? So you get the idea. So let's move on to create our school icon. For that, we need to go to our school community. Here, our community is Amazing Beekeeping School. And here, let's go to settings, then to general. And here, we can change our icon. We can upload our icon. So dimensions are 128 by 128. So let's go to Canva and create our icon. Simply click create, then custom size, and here simply select 128 by 128 and click create new design. So the canvas will be loaded, and for this tutorial I'll simply go with simple things, just like I created icon and graphics for my school community. So simply background, select the color. Since our community is about beekeeping, so yellow color is aligned with that. You can choose the color of your choice as per your niche and as per your school community name. And let's add some text, add a heading. Let's use the first letters, Amazing School, Amazing Beekeeping School, ABS. Let's make this a little bit bigger, maybe 25. Let's have a look. Nice. Make it in center. Let's go to effects and then outline. Let's change the color to, I think, white should be good. You can also use other color, maybe the beekeeping niche. You might want to use brown, right? Okay, let's go to effects. Yes, color. Use the brown color here. Okay, as you can see, maybe you can change the thickness, make it a little bit more. Let's say 100. Let's say you are done, you're satisfied with your icon. You simply have to download this by clicking here, download, and simply click here. So your icon will be downloaded. It's done. Let's attach our new icon. Click change, choose the icon, open, and click save. It will take a few seconds. That's done. So this is how you create icon for your school group, right? So let's move on to the next step. So to create our school banner image, we just go to our group, go to about section, and this is our banner image, right? So simply click here. We need to create an image of this dimension 1400 by 790. We'll go to Canva again, custom size, change here to 1400 by 790, and it create new design. Okay, and again I will do it's super simple. I'll just make a yellow background just like we did with the icon, and we will simply use text and maybe one image of a house B. Maybe let's go to here, let's change the color to yellow. Maybe you need to keep the same color branding for all your graphics. Okay, please keep in mind this looks very professional and very premium. Okay, and go to text again, add a heading, amazing beekeeping school. That's it. Okay, maybe make it a little bit bigger, maybe 65 or 70 maybe. Okay, let's have some effects. The outline, the color of the outline, maybe let's make it white. Let's make the thickness maybe more, right? Okay, let's add some maybe house bee, honeybee here. Okay, see all graphics. Let's use this one, make it a little smaller, drag it here, maybe make it a little bit above. That's it, super simple. So simply maybe you can change this thing. Excuse me for the background noise because there's some construction drilling work going on, besides our residence. So pardon me for that. Amazing beekeeping school. Maybe what you can say two. Okay, let's download this here. PNG image. Okay, download. That's it. So we simply click here, upload image, select our image, open. Let's wait a few seconds. Maybe that's it. So our banner image is done. Super simple. So next off, we need to create our school cover image, right? It should tell once again who is this group for and what is they will get. What's the promise? Let's have a look of some. Let's have a look at some examples. Let's go to school discovery and find out calligraphy school. So this is the cover image. Okay. So calligraphy school, they have very creative fonts that shows their skill and what is the promise or what the members will get if they join this community, and with the pictures of the owners, the twins Jordan and Julian. Super simple. Another example, Spanish After Hours. It's a very amazing community that teaches Spanish. Okay, the owner herself, or maybe some random image from the Google images, and a text that says Spanish the easy way. Super simple. Finally, our third example, another amazing group, the Van Life Network. This is their community. The cover image is showing a couple of vans with some people around the bonfire and a text which says where van lifers become family. Super simple. Okay, to create our school cover image. Okay, first before we create the cover image, you need to keep in mind that cover image and school description show up in the school discovery. So it's very important. Okay, as I have shown you here, these are the cover images and this is the school description. Okay, so these two things are very very important. Okay, because they show up here, and if you don't do a good job with these two things, your prospective members will not join you and they will join you maybe your competitor, the community next door, right? So again, going back to creating our school cover image, we go to Canva and we just need to select the dimension. Let's check the dimensions we require. Go to general. So 1084 by 576. This is the dimensions we need. 1084 by 576. 576. Let's create new design. Close this one. On cover image, we can simply use again the background, yellow background. You can simply basically copy the hex code of your previous, you know, graphics to keep the branding same, right? Let's open the icon and let's get the hex code of this background yellow color. So this is the hex code. Simply copy, come back here again and search for this hex code here. So this will keep the branding same across all your graphics, icon, cover image, and banner image, right? To look professional and premium. Add some text maybe from here. Add a heading. Amazing. Be keeping school. Move it a little bit up, keeping in the center. Maybe make it a little bit bigger. 65. No. No. 50 is enough, I think. Okay. And add maybe some subheading. Make it lower. Maybe a size of 40 maybe. Okay. Learn bee learn beekeeping for beginners. Super simple. I think let's make it a little bit smaller to look good. Okay, let's change the effects again. Outline thickness to be white color. Let's be the thickness maybe 100. Okay, again this one, the subheading, outline color white, and thickness. Let's move it to 100 as well. Okay, let's use the honeybee again. Okay, let's make it shorter. Bring it here. Okay, super simple. So let's download this here. Yeah, PNG image. Go back to our community. Click here, change, attach the image. We just download it and just click save. Super simple. So that's it. So our cover image is ready. Our banner image is ready. Our icon is ready. So finally, on this channel, we are running a 100 members school challenge to grow our school communities fast and monetize faster. That will help you to quit your maybe 9 to 5 job or make $10,000 per month as a solo owner. If that is something you are interested in, then join the challenge now. You'll find the first link in the description down below this video. And that's it for this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.